Hi to all, hello everybody. Today I make video random locks in my life, and I have two new old locks for video, and I make video now. First it's mini lock, the brand Rapid. I remember I listened this word. I don't remember if it's of locks or not, but I remember Rapid. And I think it's yes of locks, and I think it's good brand. But I need to test it. I don't sure. I don't know. I don't remember. So it's little nice old lock, and that's all. Not working. I try to make something with him and to put him in collection, but it's good look. Because it's good look, I think maybe I mistake, and this is surprise for me because this is surprise. First, it's master lock of USA, original. It's for gun. It's blocker for gun. For this part, you put this information. I listen about this lock when I take him. Maybe it's something another, but see over here, master lock, CO Milwaukee, Wise with USA. It's original, so but it's have plastic. I not sure if it's old lock. Maybe it's not so old lock. Okay, and we put it in the place, on the place, and it's now it's closed. 12. It's 6:12. It's closed. 9:3. It's open. Thank you. Left or sorry, right or left side. Not important. You open it because it's for gun. You can to use quickly to open it. If you need gun, it's maybe need no quickly, not have time. When somebody need gun, it's not good situation. I wish to everyone never not have time when you need to open this lock. If it will close every time, it's good. So master key, four pins, steel pins, four and first very low, second, third very high. Steel pins. I don't know what is it. L207. No, what's wrong with how to say it? Focus. And that's all. We try to pick him now. Where is tension? Tensioner. We try to pick him. It's not easy to do. To pick him. Not easy. It's really normal lock with normal pin, not joke. Just a moment, I not want to touch first pin. Little nice. And I enter to end, and I want to found number 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Okay. And we try to put him on the place. I think it was. I make very little tension. First we work and I think number 4 not in the place. I think so, but I'm not sure. Now it's in the place and second, third, second. Just a moment, we make test. I need to make little tension, very little. And now the tension here make very big problem. Nice. And it's opening. It's maybe it's look easy. I say it's not easy to pick 4 pins. No. For this lock, it's not now Asa Vloy combi. But for him, it's very. I'm happy to have this lock, really. Steel pins. Maybe I have something not normal with my mind because I don't know. I meet of master mini lock. I have him number 130, and he was nice quality too. And interesting picking have too mini lock of master, and all master what I pick, I not have many locks of this brand. I have one of Nigby, so I have moment to say him once again thank you very much for locks, Nigby. You very help me with this moment. So I take this lock and I pick him, and we not have here these locks, and I don't know if when I pick him I move it 118 degrees, and all pins jump from and now it's all beautiful lock. Or I need to break this red box and to make but I don't want to break and I not break. So I have this master, and I have master with code and limbs, and master 130. So it's my collection of master. I have one pack lock and Shell Abas from Nigby too, Brady, very nice. This very good lock. Not easy to pick him because not something one profile. KOA have in the bottom have this moments it's look nothing, but it's make very more difficult to pick him. Nice look, but I don't understand. It's not master, but it's look of USA or Abas. It's Germany. Maybe I don't understand nothing. Something. I don't know something, but easy. I learn. So we open him, we close him, and we close him. Nice. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Have a nice time, everyone. Good luck. Bye.